So peeps, this is the main videos. One of the first one, if you haven't seen before, seen it and let me know what you think. Me, I work with that theory. I don't love too much conspiracy. You know, go.
This is not drawn to scale. Me cannot draw, but this is just a representation. South America, Central America, the United States, and the Caribbean, and this is West Africa. This is Bermuda. Remember Bermuda. This is how storms travel across the ocean. This blue line here represents the equator. Anything that's above the equator, any storm system that's above the equator in the ocean will want to go north because of the rotation of Earth. And the stronger the storm system is, the more it will curve and go north, right? So why doesn't Melissa or any other storm will hit any islands curve? Melissa didn't just pop up in the Caribbean. Melissa was a cluster of storms that came off Africa when nobody didn't notice except the meteorologists. Then come over until them get to the Caribbean. So why did it stall in the Caribbean? Remember what I tell yourself, remember Bermuda? This is called the Bermuda Heights. It's an area of high pressure that's usually between Florida and the East Coast and Bermuda. And that's an area of high pressure. That prevents any cyclones, hurricanes, or anything from moving the direction they're supposed to move, which is north. Okay, so if the Bermuda High North can prevent this to go that way, why it never just go west? Because at that same time, there was another area of high pressure over the United States. Also, there was an area of high pressure over the East Caribbean and also in the West Caribbean towards Mexico that also helped in sandwiching Melissa in that specific place in the South Caribbean underneath Jamaica. Therefore, this don't have nowhere to go. So that means it a go stall right there. So now, when these start to move away now, that is when Melissa starts to move this direction because this and this is dragging it this way. And that is why Melissa stalled in the Caribbean and moved across Jamaica. There is no cloud seeding. Nobody went to the Caribbean to create the hurricane. On our phone, on the dance. The reason why it got so strong is because during this time of the year, Atlantic hurricane season is from June to November. When it comes closer to the end of the season, the Atlantic over here becomes a little bit more cooler. But the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean still has warm temperatures. So when Melissa was in here stuck because of this and this, it had time to develop into a category 5. Nobody make it. It's nature. And it's a catastrophe. Honestly, I didn't even realize that the video we make yesterday was gonna go that viral. But too much people are throw around cloud seeding and actually don't know what cloud seeding is. Cloud seeding is a technique to manipulate clouds with high moisture to generate precipitation rain. Cool? In order to do that, they use substances called silver iodide or dry ice. People know about dry ice, right? But cloud seeding cannot create clouds from scratch. Definition: manipulate clouds with high moisture, meaning a cloud has to be present in order for cloud seeding to occur. You see the cloud here with the high moisture inside? You see my water droplets? You see the plane? Yes, the plane can fly over and drop the silver iodide and dry ice into the cloud that's already there in order for the cloud to create rainfall. They can also use a generator to do it as well. But look over this side. You see we're so sunny? You see my two little bird them? If there is no clouds with no moisture, they cannot do cloud seeding because you physically need a cloud with moisture. So can cloud seeding cause hurricanes? No! Hurricanes form from thunderstorms, and thunderstorms need more factors in order to form. So now, the last concern. If the storm is already there brewing, can they use cloud seeding? No! And for any of the conspiracy theorists, we're going to try if you said this and that. They tried it before. Project Storm Fury, 1962 to 1983, a 20-year research project by the United States government to try to use cloud seeding to manipulate a hurricane. They've tried it, and after the 20-year experiment, you know what they concluded? That hurricanes do not have enough super cool water in the system for cloud seeding to manipulate it anywhere. Do you know why? Because hurricanes are big areas of warm, low pressure. It does not have enough super cool water. There you go.
So yes, my wonderful people, what do you guys think? Does that answer your question for you? Or if not, I think you should jump on Google and do your own research. Don't just listen to what he's saying or nobody else has upon for them video. You understand with their conspiracy. Do your own research and come to your own conclusion. Don't be a sheep. Don't be a cloud and just suck up cloud seeding. You understand? Do your own research and come to your own conclusion. And stop flapping about this and that and I said and cow fat. My crocodile tail. Anyhow, make we move on now. Big up the squad of them. So now people, the clip you circulated on social media where Rosalie skin out in front of a bag of rice or whatever it is. And she and her people bag them out for give to the people. You know, forgive you as forgive it. She do fear part. But we check out the video and then we can tell you something. Some of the things them what the people must say.
Don't bring the negative in this one.
What you done every day? What I done every day?
Come on, come first.
Drink and smoke.
No, man. No negative in this.
No, it's
Video
negative.
make a comment, but no negative.
What point?
No video, the people themselves no video.
Some are beautiful people. Some of the things them what the people must look out for and what they must say. For one, they must say the way Rosalie does skin out over the food. You understand? Number two, the whole heap of chatting. Number three, even the person when they did it help out and not have a no shirt, no one ear covered, the ear part of me. No ear no cover. And why would never get some gloves? You have to also be careful of germs as well too. Because times like this when whole people are angry food, you don't know who are deal with the proper hygiene. You understand? And that can cause them to spread bacteria, spread germs as well. You see me, I say, so people have to be careful what you guys are doing out there and how not prepare the stuff them to go and to give to people. You see me, I say, because you don't know if our immune system weak from if our immune system strong. And watch ya. If you do something like this, make sure to wear your clothes. Have on clothes, number one. Get your ear covered, number two. And also put on gloves. Not because you are not a professional person, but yes, you can be professional when you're angling items for people belly. You understand? Then something that is very delicate. We understand. We know say help, we don't want help. The people appreciate the help, but try do it the proper way. You understand? Me not forward and come cuss and bash and go on like a lot of people, because trust me, a lot of people that they must say a bag or something, they literally outrage. Some of them must say nastiness and this and that. It's unhygienic. I agree. So that's why I not only I say me also explain to you, put on a earnet, put on a shirt, and use gloves. So me I say, and remember I say put on, but at the end of the day, everybody might have mask. But don't let's chatting over the food. We are human beings. Sometimes we don't mean to do it, but saliva do fly. We don't mean to do it, but saliva do fly. You understand? All right.
Mr. Leonard White, real Godfather, so please subscribe. As much a video me have to do it every time. Share with my friends, comment, like. Rapper, the struggle is alive. Color the intellect so the damn thing connect, right?